Hey there, future teamwork titans. Today, we're embarking on an epic adventure to uncover the incredible world of teamwork and collaboration. Imagine being a part of an amazing team that achieved great things. That's exactly what we'll be exploring together. So put on your teamwork capes and get ready to become masters of working together. Number one, the power of teamwork. Think of teamwork as a magical potion that makes everyone stronger. Just like heroes in a story join forces to defeat a dragon. Working together can help us conquer challenges and achieve our goals. Number two, building the dream team. Imagine you're putting together a group of superheroes with different powers. A successful team has members with different skills and strengths that complement each other. It's like creating a team of champions. Number three, puzzle of collaboration. Picture teamwork as solving a giant puzzle with your friends. Each person has a piece, and when you put them all together, you create something amazing. Collaboration means sharing ideas and working together to make the puzzle complete. Number four, creative brainstorming. Imagine you're on a spaceship exploring new planets. Teamwork involves brainstorming, coming up with creative ideas together. Just like astronauts solve problems in space, you and your team can solve challenges on Earth. Number five, support squad. Think of teamwork as having a supportive squad by your side. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. Your team cheers you on, offers a hand, and shares the adventure. With a strong team, you're never alone in a journey. Number six, future teamwork legends. Picture yourself in the future, leading a team to success. By learning about teamwork now, you're preparing to become a leader who knows the magic of collaboration. Together, you'll achieve incredible things. Congratulations, young teamwork titans. You've discovered the power of working together and embracing collaboration. By practicing these skills now, you're setting yourself up for a future where you can achieve even bigger dreams, conquer tougher challenges, and build lasting friendships. If you had a blast learning about teamwork and collaboration and want to continue your awesome journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Keep those teamwork capes flying high, keep working together, and remember, you're on your way to becoming a true master of teamwork.